This video will demonstrate how to process tickets in your solution. You will learn how to use the queue to process tickets that do not require much effort. You will also learn how to research more complicated tickets in the workspace. Finally, you will learn how to create notes to a ticket to record important details. When you open the queue, you are presented with a list of tickets. You can scan through the list to quickly identify low-effort tickets. You can see some tickets that are irrelevant. These tickets are just general statements and spam. Let's mark these tickets as irrelevant to remove them from the list. This ticket should be worked on by someone who has more knowledge of this product. Let's reassign this ticket to a more appropriate person. This ticket describes an urgent issue, so we will escalate it. The ticket will be rerouted according to how your administrator has created the routing rules for your solution. This ticket describes a problem that is best handled by a different part of your company. If your solution is connected to the ticket handling system used by another division, you can open the ticket in the workspace and copy the ticket to the external system. While you can't work on the copied ticket anymore, you can monitor its progress. Now we see a ticket that is going to require more effort to complete. Let's select the ticket to open it in the workspace. You can check the interactions to read any correspondence between agents and customers, and also any notes that have been created by agents so you can better understand this ticket. If your solution is linked to a knowledge base, you can search for articles to send to customers to help them resolve their problem. If none of the suggested articles are applicable, enter your own search terms. Let's send the customer a link to this article. A link to the article is displayed in the reply box. You can also search for articles that were attached to tickets. Similar Tickets displays tickets that match search terms. To find articles in similar tickets, enter your search terms. Add a link to the article attached to the ticket. The link to the article has been attached. You can enter a reply to the customer. When you are finished, send your response. After you send your response, it is added to the interactions. The next message is related to a product recall that the company is managing and will require a response to the customer. Since a lot of people are affected by this recall in the same way, you can use a template response. Select the response you want to use from the list. The template response is automatically entered in the reply box. You can add a note to this ticket, letting your colleagues know it's related to the recall. After you save your note, it will be visible to all of your colleagues in the interactions list. If you think the ticket is solved, change its status to complete. This will remove the ticket from your queue. Let's review the key points of processing tickets. The queue lets you quickly change ownership of low-effort tickets. The Solution Finder and similar ticket features help you find articles to send to customers. You can make notes to record important details that can be read by all of your colleagues.